Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, if you cannot already tell by the title, I'm going to show you guys how to do your Gel X at home. It is so simple and so easy. I don't like long intros, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to be using the Dashing Diva Gel Extend starting kit. Everything you need comes in the kit already, but I have a few extra things I'm going to be using. That is a dehydrator, this nail file, and this little cuticle scraper pusher thingy. I'm going to start off by scraping anything off of my nail surface. I did have press-ons for a really long time, so there's lots of excess glue still stuck on there, and we're going to go ahead and push back our cuticles as well while we're doing this. We just want to have a nice, smooth, clean surface to start off with, and do not forget to do your other hand. After we push our cuticles back, we're going to be using this dehydrator, and like I said, this part is not necessary because everything you need already comes in the kit, but this is just an extra step that I like to do because I feel like it helps the nail stay on for just a little bit longer. Now we're going to open up our Dashing Diva Gel Extend kit. Now this kit was only $23, you guys, and it comes with everything you need. It comes with the Dashing Diva curing lamp, and it comes with pre-buffed nails, which is beautiful. You don't have to buff the nails yourself. It comes with a nail file and a buffer, some cuticle sticks, and the gel itself. It also comes with some prep pads that you're going to be using. So we're going to go ahead and open up one of the prep pads, and then we're going to use it on both hands before we get started. Now that our nails are nice and buff, we're going to start sizing each nail. So what you're going to want to do is pick up the nail, try it on your fingernail, and see which one fits best. When you find the one that fits best, find the correlating number. Like if a number 10 fits your pinky, then the number 10 will fit your other pinky. And what I did was I lined them up in a row to make it easier for me when I apply them. Pinkies first, and then the last being the thumbs. I just think it makes it so much easier when applying them. I don't know, I always do this even with press-ons. So you're going to take that gel they give you in that kit, and you're just going to use a little bit and do your best to keep it on the buffed surface of the nail and try to get it right in the middle when you're applying it to the nail. Now the tricky part is to keep as much pressure on it as possible while you're trying to transfer it to the lamp, because if you let go of that pressure, you will have air bubbles like I do in my pinky. I need to redo that one. And don't worry if it starts spilling out when you're pressing down on it. You can always peel that off, but I will say do not wait too long to peel it off while it's curing, because the longer you wait, the harder it will be to peel off. And you are going to repeat these steps on the rest of the nails. And I like to cure the back of my nail as well. I don't know, I just feel like it helps. So I'm actually going to redo my pinky, you guys, because the air bubbles are killing me. You're going to need the Dashing Diva Magic Off if you want to remove these. I will do a separate video on how to remove gel extensions. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, I'm going to redo that because it's killing me. Also, a little tip, do your thumbs last because you'll need your thumbs to press down the gel extensions, and it just makes it so much easier if you wait till the end to do your thumbs. Trust me on this one. And guess what? We are all done. It was that simple and that easy. Now you could always paint these, trim them, file them, do whatever you want to them. I honestly kind of like the translucent look, so I'm going to keep them like this. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let me know if you guys want more videos like these. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.